So there is a simple logic behind why don't we share our data transfer through satellites. So there is a very simple logic behind that. It's a question of security breach, because whenever you are sharing your data through the satellite, in that case what will happen, that there is a very high risk that your data might get steal. But in case of optical fibers, what will happen, that those optical fibers are getting laid down through the ocean beds, and in that case what will happen, that's in the optical fibers, it's basically a light pulse, that doing a TIR inside the optical fibers, and there is no question of security breach. Your data and your internet will be always safe. So if that optical fibers, you will see in that your message transfer into an electric pulse. I will tell you in a simple word, basically what, that whenever we are talking on phone also, no, so in phone what happened, that our voice get recorded into the phone, and in that our voice will convert it into an analog signal, which is basically the 0 and 1 that we see generally. The computer language, computer understand only the bits are basically 0 or 1. But whenever we are talking also in phone, in that case what will happen, that if we are talking, and in that case whenever we are talking, our voice will get converted into that analog signals, that 0101, and that analog signal will transfer to the nearby tower, which is like in our every locality where we live, we have seen that we have like the closest tower that you will see. In that case what will happen, whatever we have said in a phone, it will convert it into an analog signal, and that analog signal will give a electromagnetic wave, will generate an electromagnetic wave which will go to the nearby tower. And in that case what will happen, that the tower will capture the electromagnetic wave, and it will send your message to whatever the person that you want to talk. And same things goes with those ocean beds optical fibers as well. In that there is no question for security breach. Whatever the message that you are transferring, it will always be safe. So that is also one of the reason that why do we prefer optical fibers for data connectivity or transfer, and we don't prefer the satellite connectivity, because there is a question of security breach.